Welcome back to Dutchman's Medical Marijuana channel. And tonight I have a few items I'm going to be selling here. So I'm going to do a video and show you how these items work together, how I use them, so you have a better idea how you might be able to use them. I'm going to be selling this ecoplus 1.5 horsepower chiller for $800 firm. I got a bunch of hydro pumps. I've got this 300-gallon water tank here. That's going to be going for 100 bucks. There's pumps in there. Then we'll get to the air conditioner here in a minute, the 60,000 BTU AC. For the chiller, I just turned it on. I had it turned off for a while. That way I could show you and prove it works. We're at 73 degrees. This is what the water temperature is at right now. I set the unit at 60 degrees is what I have to do. So you can walk over to this little guy here, or you can do it on the unit. You hit the set button. You see it's at 59 degrees. Okay. Hit the set again, or if you want to go up or down, there's up, there's down. I run it at about 59, and that keeps my water temperature at about 67 to 68 degrees. So she's set, so it's at 73 right now. So we'll come back in here in 20-30 minutes, and you'll see how much is dropped. That way I can prove to you that everything here functions and works. So what we've done is, to do a chiller, what you have is basically an inline pump that will circulate your water, and you have two hoses. These are 1-inch hoses. So what it does is it's going to pull water from the tank, run it through the chiller, and chill it to whatever temperature you want it to, and then it's going to push it back into the tank. So the water in this large tank will be whatever temperature you set it at. Okay? And then from this central hub setup, you can now run all of your hydro stuff off from this tank remotely. So then what you can do is you put separate pumps down into your tank, and each one of those pumps will run each little station, like each hydro setup. So like I have one pump to run my air conditioner, I have one pump to run my hydro system, another pump to run a hydro table, and all I've done is I used 1/2-inch PVC tubing, one in, one out, one in, one out. And this big one is for the air conditioner. That's a 60,000 BTU AC, which actually requires 5 horses of chill, not the 1.5 horse I have here. That's just for my hydro. This is so I can show you that the AC functions and works and everything, and how it cools, so everything will work properly when I'm done here. I'll show you. So I just ran PVC out to my rooms, and then we'll come over here, and here is the bad boy air conditioner. This is a portable Kwikool unit. It is liquid cooled, water cooled, which means you don't have anything outside for anybody to see or know that you're growing. And this can sit right in your grow room, or in your house, or in your warehouse, or anywhere, and it adds no additional heat to your room whatsoever. And there's no venting to vent anywhere outside. It's a phenomenal unit. You can also buy an air exchanger that allows you to run it with air exchange in a closed loop system instead of having a 5-ton AC. So basically what you would do is you would have like 1-inch pipes going to like a big huge radiator type looking assembly that have a big fan on it, and the pump would circulate the water from as closed loop from the air conditioner over to the AC like condenser or radiator looking device, and then back again, and it would just keep circulating over and over again. And then the fan blows air across that, cools that water, and then puts it back, or brings it back to the AC. This system, this AC, has a built-in valve that can automatically adjust the freon and the temperature of the unit based on the temperature of the water going in. So if your water's at 50 degrees, it opens it up, allows you to have better cooling. If it needs to restrict it or adjust to it, say at 70 degrees, it can adjust to it. So it can always cool your room down to 72 degrees minimum based on whatever air is coming in or water is coming in. I should say water, I'm sorry, water is coming in. So it's a really cool setup. I'm going to give you a shot, hopefully, of the back here. So here are the lines coming in. And then here is a shot of the tag on the back for all the data specifics. There's the model number, serial number, 60,000 BTU. I mean, everything is here, as well as you can look it up online. And then I had a 220 plug installed and ran. So there's 220 ran to there. And then 1-inch pipes going over to the tank. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much it. So now, as you can see, my room temperature is sitting at 78 right now. All we gotta do is turn this bad boy on. And she's on cool mode. There's your highs, the low. Oh, I had it set at 78, so that's why it was set at 78. So set at 78 degrees. I'm gonna turn her down here. As you can see, everything works great. This thing is awesome. I just had the unit completely tuned up by a professional. Had him come out here and go through the whole unit, check everything out. We filled it with Freon. It was like 3 or 4 pounds low. This thing takes like 7 or 8 or 9 pounds of Freon. So it was like 2 or 3 pounds low. So we pulled it all down, put all new Freon in, checked the valves, had a valve leak, put a new valve in it. So just went through and completely serviced this unit. She puts out some massive freaking air. I mean, these are 10-inch ducts right here that you can put in separate rooms or the same room. So you can wire these, or put these hoses in 2 different rooms, multiple rooms. You can even convert these from 10-inch down to 8-inch and put 2 8s coming off of each one of these and have 4 rooms or 4 locations. So I mean, there's so much you can do with this unit. It's completely portable. It is a heavy son of a bitch and probably weighs about 1,000 pounds. So I mean, it rolls, it moves around. There's no issue there with movement. As you can see, I can move this thing very easily. Let's see if I can get a better shot. So there. Okay, see how she moves real easy? I mean, this thing is nice and portable. But once you get your lines hooked up, you kind of limit your portability options, I guess. But you can easily move it and extend those without too much effort. Okay, so we'll open the door here. I'll show you the inside guts of it. I think here. Crap, she's locked. All right, door's locked on me. But all your electronics are located in here. She's pretty simple to work on. Any problems you have, you can call the company direct and they'll walk you right through the tech line. They're freaking awesome. I had to order some parts from them for this thing, that valve issue, and they sent it here like 2 days, overnight it to me. We had it and installed like the next day. It was freaking awesome. So great customer service, and technicians will walk you through troubleshooting in your own home. So you don't have to send it out or have to pay some professional, thousands of dollars to do it for you. So I've had great luck with the company, great luck with the equipment. I'm changing my setup completely around, so I do not need this unit anymore. I'm not going to be doing hydro. I'm done with hydro for now. So getting rid of this stuff, getting rid of my chillers, everything's going. So that's the Kwikool unit. And then we'll come back over here to the tank. And as you can see, it's only been like 3 or 4 minutes, and we're down to 71 degrees already, and we started at 73. So in 2 minutes, in 5 minutes, we've dropped 2 degrees. This chiller works freaking awesome. So, and basically what happens is I have a pump that circulates the water from this tank over to there. And when I have my 5-horse chiller on here, I didn't have to have this unit. This is another one I use for my hydro unit. So I've got 3 chillers. I've sold the 5-horse, and I've got 2 1.5 horses left. This one's for sale now, and when the other one comes back from being inspected and checked and make sure everything's good on it, that will go up for sale as well. So if you're interested, please contact me and we can go over the details. Thank you very much. Have an awesome night.